हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। वी आर थ्रिल्ड दैट you've joined us। आज हमने एक आकर्षक और जानकारीपूर्ण वीडियो बनाई है जिसमें हम इस दिलचस्प विषय द नीड एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अ नॉलेज सोसाइटी पर चर्चा करेंगे। We'll be covering the need for a knowledge society, the importance of a knowledge society, and the key points of a knowledge society, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this intriguing subject. Get ready to uncover some exciting insights and gain valuable knowledge. तो बिना किसी देरी के अपनी खोज शुरू करते हैं। Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. A knowledge society is a concept that emphasizes the importance of knowledge, information, and technology in economic and social development. Here are some key points regarding the need and importance of a knowledge society. 1. Economic growth. Knowledge is recognized as a key driver of economic growth in modern economies. In a knowledge society, economic activities are increasingly based on the production, distribution, and use of knowledge and information rather than traditional factors like natural resources or physical labor. 2. Innovation and creativity. A knowledge society fosters innovation and creativity. Knowledge is a primary input for innovation, leading to the development of new products, services, and processes that can drive economic competitiveness and improve quality of life. 3. Education and skills development. Knowledge societies prioritize education and lifelong learning. There is a strong emphasis on acquiring and developing skills that are relevant in a knowledge-driven economy, such as critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, and scientific knowledge. 4. Information accessibility. The availability and accessibility of information are crucial in a knowledge society. Advancements in technology, particularly the Internet, have democratized access to information, enabling individuals and organizations to acquire knowledge more easily and quickly. 5. Social development. Knowledge societies promote social development by enhancing communication, collaboration, and knowledge sharing among individuals and groups. This facilitates cultural exchange, social cohesion, and the development of inclusive communities. 6. Policy and governance. Knowledge societies require appropriate policies and governance frameworks to manage the creation, dissemination, and utilization of knowledge ethically and effectively. This includes policies related to intellectual property rights, data privacy, and digital infrastructure. 7. Globalization and competitiveness. In a globalized world, countries and organizations must compete based on their knowledge assets rather than solely on traditional economic factors. Knowledge societies are better positioned to adapt to global changes and compete in the global marketplace. 8. Sustainable development. Knowledge societies can contribute to sustainable development by promoting environmentally friendly technologies, improving healthcare and education outcomes, and fostering responsible consumption and production patterns. 9. Challenges and considerations. Despite its benefits, transitioning to a knowledge society also poses challenges, such as addressing digital divides, ensuring ethical use of technology, and managing the impact of automation on employment. In summary, the shift towards a knowledge society is driven by the recognition of knowledge as a critical resource for economic prosperity, social development, and global competitiveness. Embracing this concept entails investing in education, promoting innovation, enhancing information accessibility, and implementing appropriate policies to harness the full potential of knowledge for the benefit of individuals and societies worldwide. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, आपके अंत तक बने रहने के लिए।